So we have a box, and we're recording for YouTube for an unboxing, and this is the TikTok point of view, which will be also in the video. But yeah, just cut it. Hold up. Cut the box. I had an opening somewhere. No, it's just slice and dice right there. There goes a finger. Oh, somebody's not even. Hold on. Here's the another original cable. Just get my both these ones out. All right, we're just gonna be dual recording on these, but a lot of packing for one little thing. Let's put the box down. Let's hold it up. Let's put my phone. There we go. Alright. Yeah, this doesn't look suspicious at all. There we go. Why would... I do not understand some people with tape, but they put cloth over this thing too. I'll be right back. And we're back. Tape is all gone. Oh my. It's like Christmas. Oh, there's more tape. Actually, I don't need a knife. Hold up. This is big. Hold up. Is it turn on? Oh, we're also doing a setup. Oh, can I get... This thing's cold. Oh my god. Hold up. I've never had an iPad on iOS 5. New iPad. Skip the step. Now look at that. Agree. To be honest, there it is. There it is. A brand new iPad. Well, not brand new, but you know what I mean. You can also like turn it. Show you this thing. It is an MB 5.1.1. 64 gigs. I mean, I'm going to be using this a lot. This thing, I'm going to fill up with music, all that. And then, actually right after this, I'm going to record a video for you guys. But, that's cool. This thing has a headphone jack at the top. The power button. This thing was revolutionary when it came out, actually. So, I have a first-gen... Let me pull them out, actually. I have a first-gen iPhone with that. first gen iPod, and first gen iPad. I'm looking to get a first gen Apple Watch, but the Series 7000, they have like really bad batteries at this time, but keeping a lookout. Now, when we finish the video, I'm going to be popping all these things. They're fun, but I'll see you guys later. Stay tuned for the next video. Comment, like, and subscribe, since there's about 87% of the viewers that aren't subscribed. I'm trying to slow the curve down and make our subscribers more than our not subscribers, if that makes sense. And see you guys next time.